from you.
Jesus. Yeah, 2018 has ended. You know, that year showed us how fake friends can betray us, spouses can hurt us, and things like that. And you know, we have to elevate from all of that. We have to segregate to elevate, you know, if you get what I'm saying. So, this year, 2019, it's all about chasing our goals. So, basically, what we're going to do now, first, we have to launch the clothing line. This year, 2019, you know, the YMRI team has been promoting this for like 4 years now, so we are going to launch the clothing line this year. I'm not telling you guys when, but it's this year. So yeah, and we recently built a YMRI Engage page. So basically, we help people to get Instagram followers and just build yourself growth. It's all about posting, tagging, and sharing. And another thing as well, our team has been getting a lot of fight from even people close to us and things like that. But I have to tell you guys one thing. This is the year where we don't ask for opportunities. We are not begging for opportunities. I'm the legend. I create opportunities. Yeah, coming at them straight and can't stop with. I'm the legend.